Well, I wanted to get that on audio, and I did. Okay. That's one loud bird, and I have no idea what it is. No idea what it is. So, I don't know how well this is going to work. It's probably going to go over backwards, because I still have my debit card in there. And I should take that out. It's a good place for it. I mean, thing never leaves, my presence. Yeah. So Arlo and Mimi are off carting stuff to their storage unit. They're busy taking stuff down from upstairs, carting it into the cars and hauling it off. I mean, they moved a lot when they moved in. The one room was entirely filled, so I gotta move that out. It is a lovely day. It's a really, really nice day. And I was packing things into boxes, and yeah, that was enough. I had enough of it. I think I got 4 boxes packed up. It's not enough. Not enough, but whatever. But it's nice that I got that bird. I don't know what it is. It doesn't really help me to get the sound of that bird because I don't have a bird sound book. If I can't see the bird, I'm not going to be able to hunt it down. Maybe I can, though. There is the Google, there is the Google. I'll go loud bird sound and play this back. Went for a nice walk this morning, yeah, and you saw I hit the river and the dam. And then I pretty much headed home after that, I think. When you go to so many places, when you just keep on going around and around the neighborhood, and always hit different places, and then hit the same places, different places from same places from the different angle, you get not remembering. But I have a plan. I wonder if that's going to be open tomorrow. The thing is, I head out so early. This is good for me because then I miss all the stores, right? When they're open. Because hitting stores when they're open is bad. So, yeah. I want to get to this one store, but I don't think that's a good idea. So I will just forget about it. Forget about it. Got my watering can out here, and water. I have my snack. watching a sparrow hovering under the edge of the roof of my shed, looking for bugs in spider webs, I'm sure. I like it when it's warm and a little breezy, where it's a warm breeze, not a cool breeze. I really like warm breezes. I'm not fond of cool breezes, because in cool breezes you can't, when you fall asleep because it's warm and then a cool breeze comes along, well, you know, it just ruins it entirely. That just ruins it. So I've ordered a few things online. Ordered some books. Some for me, some for Jake. It's his birthday coming up. And what else did I order? Oh yeah, I ordered some vitamins, some of my Stressies. Stressies is hard to get. A lot of the regular stores don't have it. The Big Zaire's here in Cambridge does. And that is pretty much the only place that I've been able to find it reliably. So I thought, yeah, I'll do the same as I did last time. I ordered it online. Because you order 2, they send it for free. Ta-da. Why struggle? And whether vitamins help or not, I don't know. But I have, boom, 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 a list of, you know, things that I take. I trusted my husband, and my husband researched. He was an excellent researcher. And he researched me, and this is what he came up with. So I'm sticking to that.